Tell me more about why that is?
Oh, absolutely. It's incredibly bright. In fact, right now, as we're going through sunset, if you're watching on video, the sun is coming up on the right-hand side of my face. It's really bright as we're getting close to sunset, and the transition come over the top of me. And so I'm going to just close one of our shutters right now to protect the right side of my face from the searing sun and turn on four stops of exposure change that we're able to put in front of the windows to help expose. For photography nerds, these are four stops. So these provide four stops of exposure change that we're able to put in front of the windows to help expose for pictures if we want to take something a picture of something both inside the cupola but also be able to see the earth on the outside. So we're trying that out today.
Very cool. Now, speaking of photography nerds, you're an engineer, a pilot, and of course an astronaut, but you're also a prolific photographer. So, how did you get into photography?
So many paths led to that. I mean, to start, when I was young, my dad was a photographer and a journalist. Ran a motion picture unit for the United States Air Force. And just seeing how he took photographs and how he composed things and crop things and set up shots. You know, I didn't do a lot of it growing up, but I was around it. And then joining NASA, we got trained by our photo TV department how to take pictures. And then there's some very distinct moments I remember as part of my space flight. Now we've been up here for 5 or 6 months ago, but things that really stick in my mind. You know, obviously the rocket lifting you off the launch pad, but that first time floating out of your seat and going to the window, I immediately wanted to just spend so much time trying to capture what I saw with my eye with the camera. I feel immense responsibility to share what we see. So few people are lucky enough to come up into space. I feel an immense obligation to take pictures and share everything we see with the world. And with the tools we have, the cameras we have up here, doing my absolute best to try and share what we see with the world.
Awesome. And how different is it taking photos in space versus on Earth?
Oh man, there are good parts and there are hard parts. The dynamic component of the lighting is really a challenge. But then you're also lucky that you know, in photography they talk about the golden hour, or right there at sunrise or sunset. Folks like to take a lot of pictures of those times. The lighting is just incredible, and we're lucky to get 16 of those a day. You know, we're going 17,500 miles an hour. We're making a lap around the Earth every 90 minutes. So if I don't get the lighting right or the setup right on a pass, I can wait 90 minutes and I'll get a chance to do it again. In fact, we're going through it right now.